Landamasi lari ping khuding mana landamasi ki wetlands sing asi kanba mathau tai haina Manipur lenga ki Forest Environment and Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arunkumar Sinha na phongdokre Environment and Climate Change asidan yaral pat pangthokpa World Wetland Day thorong mari lenena wafam asi phongdokhibani tarmadu arun namakha taraduna landamasi lari wetland sing asi develop tawba matsangi landamasi lari wetland kulhumdoi senga sagana bagi damak process tawduna leire loina wetland kanba mari lenena farmers sing training people hore haike Tharmotan Saru Yakiba Environment and Climate Change Director Dr. T. Prachakumarna, Landamasi the Senkoli Wetlands Singasi, Manungda, Wetland Home notified Todana, process Tobolore, Atowata Wetland Singsu, India Langata, Sengat Sakana Bagita Paikanaba, process Todana Lady Haike, Tharamatic Manuchana photo exhibition of Zapang Tokibagalina, Wetland Singbu, 3D Kutan, Taknaba, Virtual Wetland Museum Amasungasi. Hangdokhi, Masik Matata Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge Celebrating Cultural Knowledge Symposium the Makomatang Taravas in the Manamatu and Toki. Taramatu the Manipur State Wetlands Authority is Chairperson Dr. K.S. Samungo. Commissioner Dr. Silas Kumar Sarasia, PhD Amasung IPR Secretary Hungyo Warsang Susaryaki.
4 springs under rejuvenation at Chinke Hill, and 30 farmers have been trained in climate resilient agriculture. 10 vermicomposting units constructed for beneficiary under livelihood activity. 3 numbers of watchtower constructed around the wetland. 10 numbers of plastic water bank and dustbin for each household were distributed under the solid waste management program. Today, as we confront the twin crises of biodiversity loss and climate change, the lessons of the past are more relevant than ever. By embracing traditional knowledge, we honor the wisdom of our elders and ancestors and recognize the role of cultural heritage in shaping resilient, sustainable societies. In conclusion, I'll say World Wetland Day is not just a celebration, it is a call to action. Let us work together to protect our wetlands.